Hi guys, Jeff here with Custom Crawlers. Today we're going to be checking out a Micro Warrior RC car. This RC car runs on 2.4 gigahertz system. Should run for about 15 minutes per the box. There's 1/32 scale. Does come with a LiPo battery, and also it should have a LED light on it. Let's take a peek at our box here. So model S801 is what this one is. This is a different version of it. So the one that we have here is this orange one here, number 5801. So let's open her up. Okay, let's get her opened up. Nope. Would help to cut the seal on it first. Now let's get into her. See what we got here. So the operations manual. USB charger and included micro screwdriver. We also have a bag with some cones and a couple barrel looking items. We'll get the car opened up here. It does have suspension in the front anyway. The radio system. Okay, let's set the radio to the side here, and then we'll take a peek at the car. So it does have the rubber wheels. They are firm. It's a Lexan body, plastic bumper, plastic scale like roll bar type thing on the top of it. Now we'll figure out how to get the body removed, and let's get it under the hood. Okay, the body was clipped on there pretty firm, but we got it off. Not really too much to see in here. There's a couple posts, an antenna spot, an LED, a spring for the rear suspension. So not really too much to see right there. Let's get the body clipped back into place. Okay, body's all clipped back into place. Now let's take and open our screwdriver that came with it, and we'll pop open to see the battery compartment, into the battery compartment. Okay. Boy, that's quite the micro battery, huh? 3.7 100 milliamp, so it's just a teeny little thing. Well, we're going to put some batteries into the remote. It's 2 AA batteries. And we're going to get this battery on to charge, and then we'll be back for more once that's done. Well, the batteries are in the radio, and the charger showed that it quit charging, so let's see if we can't get this tiny thing into here. Just like with a lot of RCs, it's a lot of these little ones, it's hard to get the wiring to fit into there. Okay, let's see how we turn that on and on. Okay, we're supposedly have a high and low speed on here too. Let's check out the light button. See what that did. Didn't quite see if it had done anything. Oh, there's up underneath of it, there's an LED light. I suppose at night it would maybe make the car glow. Hard to see, but okay, let's see if we can. Oh, that's definitely faster. So it is proportional. But clearly when you hit the high to low button, still proportional, but much higher. There's considerable higher speed. We'll have to doesn't have as much oomph backing up, but when you hit it for forward, it jumps out pretty good for zippy enough that turn it sideways you can peel out with it. It'll be interesting to drive it around in a more open space, and overall I think this will be a fun little RC car to play with, to rip around the house, since we have seem to be not able to get rid of Shake Winter here yet. So be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content through Custom Crawlers.